going to be an incredible and vibrant experience for me. The plan is extreme driving with spins, obstacles and sudden stops. Are you ready? I feel a bit scared, but it is very intriguing to see what will happen next. So, foot on the gas pedal and let's go! The driver of this car has over 10 years of experience behind the wheel, and the tricks he pulled off were mind-blowing. Incredible speed, sometimes I felt like I would fly out of the car from the intensity of the turn. Crossing obstacles left me stunned because I was in shock, and how he didn't touch any of them. Well, I was a passenger, and now it's time to be an extreme driver. I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun, but I'm not scared at all. So we started driving and I'm a little bit nervous because it's my first time and you know it looks very hard for me. But I hope in the end I will learn how to do it well. Now I'm trying to drive very slow. I'm trying very well and I hope I do it good. I think I'm doing well. It looks easy. But I already broke one and another one. It's like bowling for me. Now we will do one more exercise. Instructor told that we will learn how to stop immediately. We are burned out. Yes, I did it. Let's do it again. It is snowing now, so it's even more harder. Oh, I didn't feel it. Oh my god, I am so excited doing this. I never had such feelings before in my life. It was so exhilarating. I love driving cars, but today's experience is so incomparable. Thank you to OnlyFans TV viewers for experiencing these bright emotions with me. Until next time!